Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making baba ganoush. Before we start, we have two kinds of eggplant. The round shape means it's a male, and the line shape means it's a female. Here I have two male eggplants. It's better because male eggplants has less seeds in it. Start making holes. You don't want your eggplants to explode, and it's much faster. Be careful and don't cut your fingers, and make as much as possible. Your main focus should be on top. It's the hardest part. Now set your oven on roast at 425 degree to 45 minutes. Put your eggplants in it, and when they are done, put them aside for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare your lemon juice, garlic, tahini, salt, and your food processor. I was kidding. Let's make it the traditional way, by using cutting board and a knife. Cut your eggplants in half, and by using a spoon, scoop everything out on the strainer. You need less water as much as possible, so spread it equally. After few minutes, put your eggplants on the cutting board. See how much water we drained? It's a secret step for making your baba ganoush soft and flexible in pouring. Don't use your knife on this side. You're gonna ruin it. Instead, turn it over and start cutting. As you can see, it takes only few seconds. And you're ready to mix it all together. When you finish, scrape it all to your mixing bowl. Don't leave any behind. Now to put all ingredients together. Salt, garlic, lemon juice, and tahini. Yes, I'm using a whisk. It's much better from using a spoon and a lot faster. And now for the finishing touch. Pour your baba ganoush to your plate. You can choose between a flat plate or bowl shape. For the plating tip, spread it equally by pressing it down. Make a hole by using a spoon. If you tried it before and didn't work, with this recipe it will. Trust me. We didn't strain all that water for nothing. And for the finishing touch, I'm gonna use a radish and a mint leaf. Don't forget to subscribe. And you have any comment, please do. And of course, we can't forget about olive oil.